In the dynamic world of household cleaning, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster QuickClean Cordless Handheld vacuum emerges as a compact powerhouse, revolutionizing the way you approach quick cleanups. This review unveils the features that make this handheld vacuum a game-changer, from its powerful suction to its lightweight design, innovative crevice tool, and convenient wall mount. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional cleaning methods and embrace a new era of quick and efficient cleanup. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction for multi-surface mastery. The dustbuster QuickClean is not your average handheld vacuum. It's a force to be reckoned with. Designed to tackle various surfaces, from carpets to car interiors, furniture, and high-traffic areas, its powerful suction effortlessly removes hair, dirt, and debris. Experience a deeper, more thorough clean with up to 2x more suction power, setting it apart from the competition. This cordless wonder delivers efficiency without compromise. Lightweight and portable, maneuver with ease. Cleaning should be a breeze, not a workout. The dustbuster QuickClean is intentionally lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry and maneuver even in the tightest spaces. Say goodbye to the struggles of lugging around heavy cleaning equipment. This handheld vacuum is designed for convenience, ensuring that quick cleanups are genuinely quick and effortless. Innovative crevice tool. Access every nook and cranny. One of the standout features is the built-in crevice tool, providing instant access to cramped spaces and tight corners. No more frustration when trying to reach between couch cushions or on top of shelves. The dustbuster QuickClean is engineered to make every inch of your home accessible, ensuring that no debris is left behind. Translucent dirt bowl. Visibility for efficient cleaning. Keeping track of the debris level is made simple with the translucent dirt bowl. Now you can see exactly when it's time to empty the bowl, eliminating guesswork and ensuring that your handheld vacuum is always ready for action. This user-friendly design element enhances the overall cleaning experience. Convenient wall mount and charging. Ready for next time, the dustbuster QuickClean doesn't just clean, it comes with a smart storage solution. The wall mount serves a dual purpose, providing simple storage and convenient charging in one place. No more searching for your handheld vacuum or dealing with tangled cords. With the wall mount, your dustbuster is always ready for the next cleanup job. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster QuickClean Cordless Handheld Vacuum is not just a cleaning tool, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and understand why this handheld vacuum isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in convenience, efficiency, and a cleaner home. Elevate your cleaning routine, bid farewell to traditional hassles, and let the dustbuster QuickClean redefine the way you approach quick cleanups. It's time to experience the power of a compact powerhouse in your hands. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.